So, good afternoon, everybody. This is the next video on the mind brain system. So, first of all, let's start with this particular person. He is the person. So, this is the brain of the person, and these symbols are the metaphoric representation of the thoughts and the process going on inside the brain in interaction with the mind. So, if we visualize, mind is like a driving force which guides the brain to do certain specific things. So, these all are the metaphoric representation of the mind. So, what we can visualize is that mind, it instructs the brain to do certain specific things. Let's start with an example. Suppose you want to study. So, if you want to study, so you'll study from the brain or the mind, or both are involved. So, the first thing is, when you will think about study, you will first of all think. Now, the question is, you think from the mind or you think from the brain? Because brain itself is only the physical mechanism, and mind is the metaphysical mechanism, metaphysical. And you can feel within yourself that this metaphysical thing dominates the physical things. If you can think beyond survival, if you are within the survival things, then obviously brain will dominate. But if you have accessed higher dimensions beyond the survival, then metaphysical things or the mind dominates. You want to achieve more freedom in life. You must have experienced that the physical body is the limitations provided to the mental or the emotional body, and that metaphysical body always is in a lookout for higher states of consciousness where there is no pain, there is a silence, there are only positive things. So it seems like you have trapped mind within the physicality, so that it always interferes with the physicalities. It deals with the physical things, deals with the limitations, at all losing the energy. But after a certain time, you realize that there is no point in fighting the physicality. You have to search for the truth yourself, you have to search for the meaning. I'll continue in the next video.